my dear friends. So today I am going to show you one of my game which I have made in Code.org, the platform Code.org, with the help of my teacher. Mm, Because of my teacher only I am able to make this game, and with the support of Whitehead Junior team on. So let's begin with today's topic. So yes, this is a Angry Bird game. Angry Bird, what and the meaning of Angry Bird is, this Angry Bird is so angry. That's why we call this word as Angry Bird. So yes, let me show you how it works. Get ready, and then yes, this. When we will touch all the fruits, we will increase our points, and when we will touch our piggy, then we will lose our point, and we will not be win. So there are the bullets. There are some bullets which is to kill piggy. This is the piggy. Now let me show you all the characters. I will go on costumes, and now this is the medal, and this is the this is the and tree which I have made. You can also make with the help of these drawing tools. So this is the text in my game which will show you the get ready option, and when we will hit on this get ready screen, we will redirect it on our game screen. So now let me just go on this and show you the code which I have given. When this ready click, when this get ready, yes. So I have shown you my function which is moving west and move. Now on my next code is make a new sprite at 38,306. This is the location from where you can select your location, your x and y x-axis and y-axis position. Set Angry Bird size as 50. Edges block is equal. Edges block Angry Bird from moving. Make new sprite this. Set size of the tree as 300. Sprite begins trees western move. So let me just show you this, the the function. This is the function trees western loop with this sprite. Move this sprite. This sprite means any sprite which we want, any sprite we want. Then move this sprite 10 pixels west if, sorry, just a second. Yes, move this sprite 10 pixels west. So I will delete this. West if this sprite means any sprite x position is equal to 0. Set this sprite x position is equal to 400. Make a new sprite this piggy at the location of this. Set piggy size is equal to 50. Sprite begin green piggy western loop. This is the green piggy western loop function that I have created. Move this sprite 10 pixels west. Then if this sprite x position is equal to 0, set this sprite x position is equal to 400. Then set this sprite y position is to random integer from 500 to 350. This was my green piggy western loop. This is my bananas western loop. Then move this sprite. This sprite means any sprite 10 pixels west. Then if this sprite x position 0, set the sprite x position to 400. Set the sprite y position to random integer to 350. Then when run, set background color to this, and so where is that background? Just a second, give me a second. Just a second. This is the when run option. Set background color to blue. Show the title screen. Click right button for bullets. Then this is that image. Then kill piggy and earn points. Make this get ready sprite at what is the position of if we put any image in between of the sprite lab, in between of the workspace, that is 200 and 200. Set this ready image as 50. When the Angry Bird touches banana, change score by 10. If score is equal to 500, play sound female voiceover. Congratulations. Then make a new sprite at this. If we will if Angry Bird touches banana like this, the score will be increased by 10. If our score will be 500, then a female voice will appear and that people will say congratulations. And then make a new sprite at this. We will win and remove this bullet, remove this Angry Bird, remove this all the fruits and tree and this cloud in the badal. Make new get ready sprite at this. Set this get ready option size to 300. Show title screen. Join score to this. This is the score variable. Okay. Move this banana sprite 100 pixels east. Then play sound category collect item blink. When up press, move this Angry Bird 30 pixels north. When down press, move Angry Bird 30 pixels south. When the Angry Bird touch the apple, the score will change. Score will increase by 100 and 10. If our score will be 500, then again female voice will appear and female will say congratulations. Make new sprite. Make this trophy sprite at 200 means our mid position. As you can see that our 200 and 200 is in mid position. Okay, make new sprite, remove this piggy and all these sprites. Make new sprite, get ready, sprite at 200, 1 and 72. So, set size of this get ready option as 300. Show title screen as title, join score and score variable. Move this apple in 1000 pixel east. Play sound category collect item blink. When this touches this play sound explosion medallic loss. Remove all the sprite. Make this new sprite. Let me show that new sprite. It is game over sprite, which is game over sprite. Set the game over sprite is to 200. Make get ready fried at 272 position. Set this game set this get ready size equal to 300. So this is the full code. As you can see, I will provide you the link of this project in the description. So now let's play it. We have to click on this screen. Oh, wait, no. Yes, yes, yes. See what I have said, that our if we if we will kill the piggy, our the uh, score will increase by 10. So this was my video related to the game of Angry Birds. This is my one of the app which is too interesting. Thank you.